problems on the roads, on the trees, and on the power lines. Kat Campbell joining us. Kat, we can't stress enough how much just a quarter inch of ice can add to the gravity of this situation.
And that's why I'm going to take some time with you tonight to really walk you through what those numbers mean. First, let's talk about what we're going to see. You may still see some sleet at the beginning of this event. Maybe if you're lucky, a brief window of snowflakes, but this starts to quickly turn to freezing rain for everybody. South of Raleigh, it's pretty much all freezing rain anyway, but from Raleigh north, you may still see a little bit of sleet at the onset. The freezing rain is what's going to be the bulk of the precipitation, and it's going to be the problem. That's why we're going with the WRAL freezing rain forecast map for this ice storm. Half an inch to up to an inch of freezing rain in spots will be possible. This includes all of the triangle points north and west. East of Raleigh, south of Raleigh, about half an inch of freezing rain. And then southeast of there, as you get closer to the coastal plain, southern Cumberland and Sampson counties, it's less than a quarter of an inch. Let's talk about what those numbers mean. This is what a tenth of an inch of freezing rain would look like. Windshields would be coated, bridges can be slick, and you get light ice on trees. A quarter of an inch of freezing rain is in the forecast for most of our viewing area, at least. And this is what a quarter of an inch of freezing rain can look like. Roads become icy, tree limbs start breaking, and power outages become an issue. When you get to half an inch of freezing rain or more, that's a major ice storm. Travel becomes impossible, and widespread power outages are likely. And this is what we're in the triangle. I say that not to scare you, but we really, truly want you to be prepared for this. A winter storm watch is in place starting Saturday afternoon, and it will go through Monday afternoon. This should be upgraded to a winter storm warning tomorrow morning, so check in with Elizabeth for an update on that. Our winter storm is coming together now in the southwest. It'll really blossom over Texas and the plains tomorrow. As for the timing of when it all arrives, we've got a little bit of rain tomorrow. I showed this to you to clarify. This isn't the winter storm. So if you see rain tomorrow, don't worry. It's not starting earlier than planned. It's as we get into Saturday evening that we really start to see the steady stuff arrive. I think this model's running a little fast, but as we get past sunset between about 5 and 7 o'clock, the radar should really blossom with our icy mix. I'll walk you through the rest of the event on Futurecast coming up.
All right, thank you, Kat. We'll check back in. So with the snowy and potentially icy weather that's expected, as Kat said, power outages will be a big concern. WRAL's Willie Danley is joining us live now. So Willie, you spoke to the utility companies tonight, city officials as well, about how they are preparing for this. What'd they say?
Well, Dan, they